Alright everybody, welcome to Ilanis Labs. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Tello Field of Fun drone. So this is actually DJI, but it's done in collaboration with, I believe it was Rise Robotics or something like that. So as you can see, it's not the biggest box and I don't have the biggest hand, so it's about twice the size of my palm. Pretty small drone. But the best thing about this drone is apparently it's programmable, so you can use it for a lot of little experiments. It has, where are the features on this? Yeah, so I don't know if you can see the features over there, but essentially it's got 30-minute flight time, 720p HD transmission. One of the best things is it's got the electronic image stabilization, and it's also got a 5-megapixel photo, so you can take 5-megapixel photos. Right, so let's open this thing up. Alright, it's pretty well packed in. Let's open this. Right, so this thing's fully assembled. I was kind of expecting there to be some assembly to be done, but very happy with that. So what do we got? We've got the full drone over here. You can see it's got the protectors, propellers, basically everything that makes it a small quadrotor. It is just a little bit bigger than my palm, so this is a perfect drone, especially if you want to do, let's say, some indoor testing. I'm not sure how well it will do outdoor. Let's see. It's got these openings over here. Funnily enough, all the, you know, you don't really see any wires sticking out or anything like that, so perhaps it will do well outdoors too, but I was told when I was looking at this online that you can pop this top. Okay, so that's what the inside of it looks like. And alright, I think it's all pretty well contained. So you see the camera module over here. You see, I'm guessing that's the battery over there. It's pretty well done actually. I'm quite impressed with the quality of this thing. I was expecting it to be more toy-ish, but it isn't. It is actually quite good. Okay, so what else does this box have? Looks like, I am guessing that's a battery. Oh, this is what I'm looking at. I'm guessing this is a battery. What's this? Nope, don't need that. User manual. Right, what's this? Use it responsibly. And it's in French. Okay. I'm gonna have to find an English version. Oh, maybe this is the English version. So there, that's the Rise Robotics I was telling you about. Small user manual. Well, is it a user manual? No, this is a disclaimer in several different languages. Okay. Alright, what's this? Alright, so that's quite nice. They've given us some extra propellers. And I'm guessing what's a small propeller installer? Deinstaller. So let's just put that on the side. And then after that we got this USB charging cable. Ooh. Okay, that's all the toys in that. So I guess the real thing is this drone over here. Gotta connect this thing up to a power source. Let's try this power source. So I got a USB battery pack. Well, a battery pack that was actually charging my phone. I'm going to connect this one up to the drone and kind of find out if it starts flickering or doing anything like that. Oh, right. Green light. That's always good. Well, anyway guys, that's a short unboxing video of the Tello drone. This is a drone that we're going to be using to experiment a few computer vision algorithms, and a couple other things too at the same time, you know, since we do have a drone that is programmable. Anyway guys, have a good one. See you later. Oh.